didn't get to show, but I'm out here doing my timing belt and water pump. Got half my engine apart. I'm at the home stretch. Almost done. Street mechanic style. I'm using my earthquake impact wrench. Got a few tools out. Yeah, I'm out here doing it. Took the radiator out to make it easier. My fan shroud and everything. Got my bed. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Right across from the VA right now. This is it. It's the weekend. And no, even still, it won't be done tonight because I have to get a holder for this thing that's coming in the mail. Yeah, but otherwise, I'm here doing it. Almost done. About halfway through. Alright. Dirty hands. Alright. Love, peace, hair grease, everybody. Get dirty.